Hello beautiful beings, welcome into my garden and into my herb collection, basil collection. Today I'm gonna show you how to have eternal basil plants. It's a really easy trick in the end. All you need is a basil plant from your friend, or you buy one and then you start to grow them. You can see these are smaller ones and these are really tall because I haven't made the procedure on this one. What you want to do is that you cut your basil plant stem on a point where a main stem has two smaller leaves stems. So you cut at that point above where these stems are meeting, you cut above them. You cut up just above them, so the main stem will stop growing, obviously, but next to that main stem there are two other stems that gonna be bolder and stronger. The whole bush is gonna be more strong, more bushy and not tall, because we don't want the basil plant to be super tall, because at one point it's gonna start to have flowers, and flowers are changing the taste of the basil plant a little bit. Okay, so this is what you do for your basil plant, but to create more plant you need to put this one into water, and I have a couple of little leaves here already, and then you put inside some water and then you wait really patiently. If you are patient enough, then you will see this, what I already have here. This one doesn't have any roots yet, but this one already have really small ones, like super small ones. I put this one I think 2 weeks ago. This one I put like a month ago inside. You can already put this one into soil, so once you put this into soil it becomes a new basil plant, and that's it. Or this one, wow, it's got really beautiful long roots. All these big basil plants that you see here, they should be around 2 months old, and because of the lot of sun, a lot of water and a lot of love and the music that I give them, they become really big and strong. So once this little plant is gonna have some roots and I put them into soil really fastly, they're gonna become this big. And so you have a lot of basil plants. You can make a lot of pesto and a lot of salad, and you can use it for a lot of ways, and you're gonna be super happy because basil is amazing and it's really good for you. So basically that's what I wanted to say. It's really not complicated. If you have any more questions about basil plant, please write me into the comments. I also have another basil plant tutorial that says how to, you know, cut them and how to take care of them. And I have also a recipe, a pesto recipe as well. So watch them and have a great day. Thank you. Ciao.